Every beautiful pendant should have a beautiful, dainty chain to go with it. I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the Outus 33-foot necklace chain. It is stainless steel and looks so beautiful and classy. You can set it up on any craft table. Just make sure you measure how far you want it to go down on your neck. You're then going to put the chain up to the tape measure and then just cut it with some jewelry cutters. It comes with jump rings and the lobster clips. So you're going to use these jump rings to attach it if you are using what I'm using so that you link these two chains together. You're then also going to use the jump rings to connect the lobster clip and to also have a loop at the end for the lobster clip to connect to. Now you have a beautiful necklace. Because it comes with everything that you need, you can now just easily put it on and you can see up close. You can just see the detail, the delicacy. It really brings so much class to my beautiful pendant. But that's just my point of view.